Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Apurva. In mechanics, today we are going to see resolution of forces, how to solve the problems on resolution of forces. In this method, we are going to find about resultant force by resolution of forces. Following steps are to solve the problem to find resultant in magnitude, direction and position of resultant force. There is steps. Step 1. Resolve all the forces horizontally and find summation f of x. And step 2. Resolve all the forces vertically and find summation f of x. And step 3. Find magnitude of resultant by using formula resultant r is equal to under root summation f of x square plus summation f of y square. And then step 4 is find direction of resultant force by using the formula theta is equal to tan inverse summation f of y upon summation f of x. Then step 5 is find position of resultant force by sign convention of summation f of y and f of x. There are some sign conventions of f of x, summation f of x and f of y. If summation f of x and f of y both are positive, resultant force lies in the first step. जर समेशन f of x and f of y दोन्ही पॉझिटिव्ह असेल तर रिझल्टंट फोर्स फर्स्ट क्वाड्रंटमध्ये लाई होते. And if summation f of x is negative and summation f of y is positive, then resultant force lies in the second quadrant. जर summation f of x minus आहे and summation f of y positive आहे तर resultant force second quadrant मध्ये lie होतो. If summation f of x is negative and summation f of y is negative, then the resultant force lies in the third quadrant. If जर summation f of x and f of y दोन्ही negative असेल तर resultant force third quadrant मध्ये lie होतो. If summation f of x is positive and f of y is negative, then the resultant force lies in the fourth quadrant. जर summation f of x positive आहे and f of y negative आहे तर the resultant force fourth quadrant मध्ये lie होते. Now there is a problem of resolution of forces. The question is the system of forces acting away from O, from point O. OA is equal to 30 Newton, OB is equal to 50 Newton at 30 degree with OA, OC is equal to 65 Newton at 60 degree with OA, OD is equal to 60 Newton at 120 degree with OA, OE is equal to 25 Newton at 750 with OA. Determine analytically the resultant in magnitude and direction. Here first we draw the diagram. Here it was y-axis. The point O is from here and the point A is from here. OA is 30 Newton and next OA is 30 Newton, OB is 50 Newton at OB is 50 Newton at 30 degree with OA. Then OC is 65 Newton. OC is 65 Newton at 60 degree with OA. Then OD is 60 Newton at 120 degree. D is 60 Newton at 120 degree with OE. And OE is 25 Newton at 170 degree. It is 180 plus 90, 170 degree. Therefore, the resolution of OA point A is f of x is equal to 30 Newton and f of y is equal to 0. And at point B is 50 cos 30 f of x and 50 50 sine 30. Like that, at point C, (65 sine 60) and 65 cos 60. Like this. At point x-axis, 180 minus 120 is equal to 60. From x-axis it is 60 Newton, and from f of x is direction f therefore negative, minus 60 cos 60, and upward positive 60 sine 60. Therefore f of x is equal to 0 because it was downward side. F of y is equal to downward side minus 25. Now step 1, resolving all the forces horizontally, means summation f of x is equal to 30 plus 50 cos 30 plus 65 cos 60 minus 60 cos 60 plus 0 is equal to 30 plus 50 cos 30 is equal to 43.30 plus 65 cos 60 is equal to 32.5 minus 60 cos 60 is equal to 30. Therefore, minus 30 plus 30 get cancelled. 43.30 plus 32.5 is equal to 75.8 is equal to 75.8 Newton. Therefore, summation f of x is equal to 75.8 Newton. Therefore, step 2, resolving all the forces vertically. Summation f of y is equal to 0 plus 50 sine 30 plus 65 sine 60 plus 60 sine 60 minus 25 is equal to 50 sine 30 is 25 plus 65 sine 60 is equal to 56.29 plus 65 plus 60 sine 60 is equal to 51.96 minus 25. Here minus 25 plus 25 get cancelled. Therefore 56.29 plus 51.96 is equal to 108.25 Newton. Therefore, summation f of y is equal to 108.27 Newton. Now step 3, magnitude of resultant force. Therefore, R is equal to under root summation f of x square plus summation f of y square is equal to under root 75.8 square plus 108.25 square is equal to 75.8 into 7.58 is 5745 5.64 plus 108.25 into 108.25 is equal to 11718.06. Therefore 5745.64 plus 11718.06 is equal to 17463.7. Therefore under root 17463.7 is 132.15 Newton. Therefore R is equal to 132.15 Newton. Therefore now step 4, direction of resultant force. Theta is equal to tan inverse summation f of y upon summation f of x is equal to tan inverse summation f of y is 108.25 upon summation f of x is 70.8 is equal to 108.25 divided by 75.8 is equal to tan inverse 1.428. Therefore shift tan inverse 1.428 is equal to 54.99 degree. Therefore theta is equal to 54.99 degree. Therefore now step 5, position of resultant force is Fx and Fy are both positive. Therefore summation the position lies in first quadrant. Therefore the theta is 54. R is equal to 132.50 Newton and theta is equal to 54.99 degree. Here was the sum. Thank you.